it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. I am back. I'm actually feeling a lot better now than I was this morning. So hopefully, my cold is finally coming to an end. We are going to talk about Bath & Body Works Hot Cocoa and Cream in this video. I am lighting up an old one. I'm so excited. And I also got fan mail, so I'm gonna share what I got today. I finally got to my PO box. I feel like I'm just getting caught up. You know, when you're sick, you got to get caught up on laundry, and your house is a mess. That's kind of how I feel this week. I've totally been blowing the Halloween videos. I'm like, you know what? Christmas is coming sooner than we think. But it's still like I'm still enjoying the whole Halloween vibe. So. First up, oh my goodness, speaking of Halloween, can this be my Halloween video? I am so excited. Look what I got. This is a Halloween scarf. So, dear Bonnie, this is just a little thank you gift from a random fan of your YouTube channel. Your infectious laugh and sunny smile bring a dose of happiness whenever I see one of your videos. I knitted this cowl for you. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely adorable to keep me warm for Halloween. I am totally going to wear this on Halloween because I actually have an event to go to. So this guy, I put it on now, but I'm going to mess up my hair. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. And the knitting is beautiful. Look at the stitch on this. I gotta say, this is a very tiny stitch. I know how hard this is. So this is gonna look beautiful. Thank you so much, Chris. I appreciate this so much. This is going to keep me warm. That actually really cheered me up. That made my day. that contributed to me to my to my improved demeanor today over my cold. Okay, next up, what else do I have in here? Amy, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Amy. I was in desperate need of a coupon, and look what she sent me. I'm so happy because I'm thinking about getting some hot cocoa and cream now. We're going to talk about the price. It says, Dear Bonnie, all coupon codes are available. Thank you. Love your videos and your background. Thank you so much, Amy. She sent me a little card. I'm so appreciative of that. And then from Shelly, I got a Halloween card. This is my first Halloween card. Oh my goodness. I do have a P.O. box. It's, I think, in all of my videos. If not, it's on my About Me page. I know a lot of people like sharing cards for me to share on my channel. I gotta say, this is adorable. I still want to do the Christmas card exchange this year. I gotta get on that though. I gotta order my Christmas cards. Bonnie, I know from watching your videos how much you like Halloween. Oh yeah, this has got me in the Halloween mood. This is actually going right here on my shelf. I'm so excited I got a Halloween card in the mail. So thank you so much. That absolutely, all three of these things brighten my day so much. So thank you. Okay, so now that I'm a little bit more alert from this morning, I don't know, I was just feeling kind of draggy this morning, which, you know how you have a cold, you're just starting to get out of it. We're going to talk about hot cocoa and cream. So this morning, I did the whole buy one, get one free. Is it a good deal? It's kind of a good deal on the 3-wick. It's actually a better deal on the $24.95 candles, which I really didn't go into too much. So there's some candles that are $24.95, including hot cocoa and cream. So those are going to go down to $12.47, which was actually a little bit better than yesterday's sale. But if you have that 20% off coupon, oh yeah, you're going to get them for $9.98. So I'm like, oh, Amy, I'm going to probably do an order now. But that is a really good thing. So now I can get more candles to review. So check it out. I have a whole collection of hot cocoa and cream. It's funny because this one just says Decadent Milk. Oh, it's the same scent notes. Sometimes these are different. Decadent Milk Chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. I don't know how much this one is. I was trying to remember what the old price was, but look at this. It's an older one. I have not lit this one up. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to light this one up. This is going to be my candle for today. A little hot cocoa and cream. I want to talk about this one because It's one of my favorite Bath and Body Works candles for fall and Christmas. Check it out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Always fun to light up a brand new hot cocoa and cream. So, like I said, decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, mini marshmallows. It literally smells, according to Bath and Body Works, and I do agree, like a mug of sweet, creamy, hot chocolate. I gotta put up a screenshot. I love the packaging this year. It's so cute. It's got like literally a mug of hot chocolate. I like the brown plaid. Super cute. Hot cocoa and cream is usually a very stable scent for Bath and Body Works. It smells the same every single year, which I love. It's usually not a batch variant. I mean, very rarely do you get a hot cocoa and cream that doesn't smell very good. Remember a couple years ago, we had hot cocoa and scream. Did I just say that? Hot cocoa and cream. And then there's hot cocoa and scream, which they sometimes do for Halloween. I remember that year, everyone was like, is it a little spicier? I think it might be a little spicier. I don't know, I kind of thought, but maybe it was just the name. But hot cocoa and cream literally smells like hot chocolate. And you're going to get that nice creamy milk chocolate. A lot of people love this one because it's not a dark chocolate. You get a nice infusion of the marshmallows and the vanilla in there. And it's a wonderful, strong, hot cocoa, milk chocolate, vanilla scent. It's always a strong thrower for me. I think one year, and I can't remember the year, but I remember it kind of smelled like Play-Doh that year. I want to say it was one of the years that we had the brown wax. Sometimes they use brown wax, sometimes they use the white wax. I want to say it was like 2 or 3 years ago, and it had a little bit of an odd scent, but that was like the only time I think that hot cocoa and cream was doing anything strange. I'm starting to smell this one just a little bit, starting to get that whoosh going. So tonight, yeah, I'm gonna do a little hot cocoa and cream. I think I'm gonna go relax. I'm only doing 2 videos today. Hopefully tomorrow I am much more recovered even than today. Anyway, thank you so much for bearing with me during my cold. Thank you for tuning in. I keep waiting. Christmas is coming soon. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for the fan mail. I love this, Chris. Thank you. Bye-bye.